Hello, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional. And today I'm here again with a new question. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on the question without wasting any of your times. So the question is over here, and you can see the question is, hello, I need your help. Something strange is happening with my ads. I have a client who is a taxi driver. I set up a call only ad for his city and 30 kilometers around the city. There is 3 or 4 taxi driver living in more than 50 kilometers away from my client city. They have ads, probably call only ads as well. Those taxi drivers receive calls from customers who live in my client city and inside the 30-kilometer benchmark which I have set. You can see the 30 kilometer he has set. So my client doesn't receive calls anymore. Why those taxi drivers receive calls instead of my client who is actually in the city? Do you have any tips to have those calls? The Google ads is linked to Google My Business, so Google knows my client is in the target city. My client has a tight budget, 50 euros a day. Thank you very much. Okay, there are certain things which I want you guys to understand on, and that can help you in establishing and generating more. Is understand, because understand your past data. My strategy is going to be understand your past data to determine peak timings. Okay, I was running a client, I have a client in UK regarding taxi, and we came to know the peak hours for the taxis. So understand the peak timings for your niche, because sometimes it's office hours, when the taxi demand is very high. In case if you are living near airport, then the situation is different. And in Monday to Friday, morning and evening specific hours are the prime hours. So why don't we target those prime hours instead of targeting whole days? So my strategy is here to target on those peak timings that can eventually, like said, work smart, not harder. This is the strategy over here. My second opinion is to look around on my competitors, what they are doing. So I can get some data from SEM Russia as well, but again that is optional, not necessary over here. What is necessary over here is to optimize your landing page. Landing page optimization is very important. For instance, if just I search on over here taxis near me, so to see what data I'm getting, let's say, just to get an idea over here, the landing page impact is very important. And because you have linked it with your Google My Business profile, so first thing is landing page optimization, then Google Business profile optimization, plus how many reviews you have over there, plus how regularly you update your Google Business profile. These are also the key elements in optimizing your campaign. So okay, so that website isn't worked. Okay, let me see other options as well. Okay, having landing page simple with a call or order now button can make wonder. So because you were running a call campaign and this is an ordinary page, so I do not believe that this can mix up well. There are specific landing pages for call campaigns where the number is written on the middle of the page in a very large bold font, and there is a button to directly click over there. See, you can see the reviews impact as well. Now this guy, how much regardless of the advertise, they have a very poor rating, and this can impact their business profile. So we need to understand the reviews also plays an important role over here. So just look on your competitors, what the competitors are doing. That can help you, give you a lot of data, and then you can also try. There are bidding strategies on Google where you can try to only show your ads on top of the page, and that can help to get more queries. So I hope this answers. And there is another thing that is very important, and that is negative keywords. I believe negative keywords plus keyword phrase. How you're targeting. That also plays an important, because you can get irrelevant traffic, and that can impact as well. So I think that you guys get an idea on as a Google ad taxi driver, or running a client campaign for your client regarding taxis. I hope this answers your query and question. So in case if you need me or my team services regarding management of Google ads, Facebook ads, or Bing ads, me and my team is available even for SEO. Just the click on the link in the description to work with us. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.